Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to fix eye contact with AI in Descript. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you got a video and you can see over here in this very first frame that my eyes are currently looking away from the camera. And this can be distracting. It kind of looks like I'm reading a script, okay? So I am not reading a script. I'm just using this as an example. On the right hand side, you'll see AI tools. Go ahead, click on AI tools, and you'll see that there are quite a few different options here. The one thing that we want to look for is eye contact. Quite simply, all you have to do is click on eye contact. What it is going to do is it's going to take my eyeballs and glue it to the lens, quite literally. So let's open this up over here. You can come down over here, and under visual effects, eye contact has been turned on. Okay, well, you can just turn it off if you'd like, but eye contact has now been turned on. It'll take a few seconds for this to render and find where my eyeballs are and then point it directly to the camera. So if you are reading a script or if you're slightly distracted, this will put your eyeballs directly into the lens so that you can engage with your audience much better.